Hey guys, so today I would like to take the chance to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers, and this is such a great milestone to reach because it is so awesome and amazing. Thank you for all the support you guys have been showing, and in celebration of 1,000 subscribers, I'll be making a squishy collection video, which many of you have been requesting. And since the sunlight is so amazing today, I will be doing my squishy collection video, and I am so excited about it. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first squishy in my collection is Fluffy the dog. Lucky cat. I Bloom Bear in brown. Maru Rainbow Ice Cream. Maru Rainbow Strawberry. Millie the Whale. Jumbo Bear Pancake and Blueberry. Jumbo Bear Pancake in Butter. My Sleepy Poco and Happy Poco. Maru Strawberry Ice Cream with Sprinkles. Rainbow Yummy Bear Mermaid. White Cream Yummy Bear. Rainbow Chawa Cake. Strawberry with green kind of cream Shibuya toast. Cat Tanker. Mini Yummy Bear Ice Cream Cone. Another Mini Yummy Bear Ice Cream Cone. A Mini Yummy Bear Ice Cream Sundae. Yummy Bear Purple Ice Cream Yummy Bear Mermaid. Sorry. Mitty the Kitten. Mint Ice Cream by Maru. I Bloom Peach. Hammy the Hamster in Mint. Hammy the Hamster in Pink. Maru Husky Bun. Maru Pig Bun. Maru butter bear bun, Yummy Bear donut, Hello Kitty cheeseburger donut, Marshmallow non-repro version, Marshmallow repro, Cinnamon roll ice cream cone, mini Hello Kitty donut, Hello Kitty cream puff, I Bloom grape, Marshmallow repro, Unicorna by Toys Box Shop, Yummy Bear ice cream on the head, Cafe DN shortcake, Cutie Creative Tea, Original Chawa Shibuya Toast, Tummy the doll, Bunny from Bunny's Cafe, I Bloom shortcake and strawberry, Yummy Bear watermelon, Happy Momo, I Bloom pearl strawberry, not I Bloom, sorry, Maru, Maru ice cream and strawberry, Chawa watermelon, Sleepy Momo, Berry the bread doll, I Bloom strawberry, I Bloom strawberry, Mochi seal, too lazy to take it out, Sugar bread doll, Mother Garden pig donut, Strawberry ice cream mini mochi seal, Maru strawberry with heart ice cream, Peach seal, Maru pig, mini berry bread doll, I Bloom cake, Silly Squishies mini animal buns, Maju bun, Angel Squishy, I Bloom vanilla shortcake, bread doll, brownie, another unicorn up, and 4 more marshmallow piggies, another Fluffy the dog, another Bunny's Cafe bunny, which I double packaged with the other package, Jumbo Panda Clements, Yummy Bear I Heart Donut, Cutie Creative marshmallows in the heart shape, Maru strawberry, Maru strawberry with the strawberry dip, Maru chocolate ice cream with sprinkles, Maru rainbow ice cream, Maru chocolate ice cream swirl, Boo the owl, Maru vanilla ice cream with sprinkles, Kawa cake, I Bloom Bear in pink, Snowy the bear, Cutie Creative apple, Koreela Kuma melon bun, mini hamburger, Cafe D and banana, pig squishy, another pig squishy, Hello Kitty cake, Gay Woo pig wrist pad, mini panda bun, another mini panda bun, Lucio the Patissier cream puff, Daiso bear head, Koala March, crackling cookie, another crackling cookie, chocolate eclair, egg tart, Kuma donut, strawberry eclair, Al bun extra, Kuma again, crackling chocolate bar, Hello Kitty waffle, replica, cupcake squishy, pumpkin patch squishy, donut squishy, pig with a watermelon pants squishy. I don't know if you would call this a squishy, but it's a chocolate cake. A Kuma head squishy. A toast squishy. Another toast squishy. 4 koala marches. Daifuku Mochi squeeze toy replica, and a sealed stretch toy. Hamburger squishy. Real Akuma toast. So that is it for my squishy collection video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you guys will appreciate this video, because now I have to clean all of this up and I don't know how long it'll take, but it is so worth it. So thank you so much and have a great day, and remember to subscribe to my videos if you like them. So yeah.